Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Rover app not working. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fix the Rover app because it's not working. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, the first thing that you can do is that if you go into the App Store of Rover and then search for the Rover app, you want to go ahead and make sure that the Rover app is up to date. So if it says update here, go ahead and update it and then see if that works. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can do is that you can try opening up the app, then hold down on the screen and swipe up, and you can see that it becomes a window like this. Go ahead and hold down the Rover app again and then swipe up again. And then what you've just done is a soft reset of the Rover app. So check to see if it works. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix the Rover app not working. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.